Hi friends, I'm Siddharth Sukla. So today I'm going to introduce just a PHP, just a short descriptions about the PHP. So actually, why we need to PHP we are covering right now, and just a short description about the PHP. And so let's start, friends. So just introductions about the PHP. So PHP is a server-side scripting powerful PHP server-side scripting language and powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web page. So, hopes you understand what are the message in here. Basically, we uh, are talking about the server-side scripting language. What is a server-side scripting language? When we running our code as a dynamic, suppose if we don't want to show in user where from data is coming everything, so this is a server-side scripting language. A server-side scripting language always running in server side, okay. And what you should know already know about, if I'm talking about, let's start the PHP. So you hope so you understand about the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So it's a basic concept about the creating dynamic web page. So hope so hope so you understand about the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then what is the PHP? So PHP stand for the hypertext preprocessor, and PHP is a widely used open source scripting language. Open source means it's not a chargeable. You can download and just execute on your server, and on local and server also. And PHP is an amazing and powerful language. So if I'm talking about the amazing and powerful language, so that's the main reason is WordPress CMS. Hope so you understand what is a WordPress CMS. So now widely used in every blogging website and even e-commerce portals and personal websites. So it's very really interesting about the WordPress, and it's a free also, is a open source also. You can use as a free and a paid also some themes. And it second point is it is deep enough to run the largest social network, Facebook. So hope so you also aware about the Facebook. What is the Facebook? Basically is the social networking site is running almost all over in the country. And so the social network also Facebook built in PHP. And the third point is it is also easy enough to beginners. The first is I'm talking about the syntax, and easy to learn, no difficulties like a Java and Python. So it's more really easy as a compared to Java. What is the PHP file? So PHP file mm, can contain text. So you can write text, HTML and CSS and JavaScript and PHP code also. So PHP code executed on the server, and result is a return to browser to the plain HTML. So I said before also, PHP code you cannot see as a client side, because PHP code always run as a server side, okay. And if you returning any things, so you can see from the HTML we are returning in browser. And third point is PHP files extension .php. Whenever you save your file, be sure execute always via .php extension. What can we use in PHP? So PHP can generate dynamic page content. And so hope so your dynamic page content. Suppose I have a created blogging website. So if I'm writing a blog from the admin panel, so automatically create one page, something title, descriptions and images also from the backend. So it means it's a dynamic page content. PHP can write, open, read and write, delete and close files on the servers. So it's mean you can perform operations, create, open, read and write and delete and close files from the servers. So and PHP can collect data, okay, from the server also. PHP can send and receive cookies from the browser. PHP can add, delete, modify data in your database. So you can perform operations, kind of crude operations. And PHP can use to control user access. You can also use the encryptions data. With PHP, you are not limited to output HTML. You can output image, PDF, even flash movie. You can also output any text such as XHTML and XML. Why PHP? PHP runs on the various platform, Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac operating system, etc. So, and second point is PHP is compatible with almost all servers used today: Apache IIS from IIS, Microsoft Server, and etc. PHP support a wide range of database. PHP is a free. Downloaded it from the official PHP resource www.php.net. So you can directly click on the www.php.net and you can use from the these portals. And PHP is easy learn to and efficiency on the server side language. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.